Vehicle-to-grid technology is already available, but it's not widespread at the moment. There are some vehicles like the Nissan Leaf, which have the capability already, but people will need to install special V2G smart charging devices to enable that capability. We expect that to become widespread probably in the next 2 to 3 years. And in fact, we're hoping that will happen as quickly as possible because we would like to incorporate that smart charging into our own Discover Energy VPP. Fleet operators will have a real challenge with charging electric vehicles in customers' homes. Customers now, if they have a petrol vehicle, use a fuel card or something similar, we expect that kind of arrangement will need to exist for electric vehicle charging and retailing in the future. Our open VPP platform will enable us to put in place arrangements such as a fuel card charging, but we'll be working with vehicle manufacturers and electric vehicle charging infrastructure manufacturers to put these arrangements in place over the coming years. In terms of installing charging infrastructure, fleet vehicle operators can probably install these electric vehicle charging stations anywhere where they have approval from the building owner, shopping centre owner, etc. There will be also some hurdles around grid connection, so distribution networks will also tend to have a say in the size and the co-location potentially of electric vehicle charging, because in some instances you won't be able to install these larger devices because the network will not be capable of allowing that. But flexible arrangements and VPP-like arrangements should help to alleviate those network concerns as much as possible.